Minerals are beautiful ionic compounds, and by studying them, it helps us learn more about
Ionic compound.
Thank you, disembodied voice. So what do you say, guys?
Yeah!
Minerals!
Oh, hello. You must be wondering what crystal lattice is. Well, crystal lattice is the symmetrical three-dimensional arrangement of atoms inside a crystal. Essentially, it's the roadmap to crystals and their chemical makeup.
Grant's right. Crystal lattices come in many different shapes and sizes, like hexagonal or tetragonal.
Fluorescence in a crystal is when a light from ultraviolet light reacts to the chemicals within the crystal. This causes it to glow. Phosphorescence is when the light continues to glow, even after the light is removed.
But get this, if the crystal glows when it's heated, then that's known as thermoluminescence.
Now then, let's talk about the 8 different classes of minerals.
Carbonates. They use the formula of CO2-3. Some of the uses in everyday life are ceramics, chrome plating, baking soda, and glass. The formula for halides usually has an X at the end to denote that it is a halide. These are commonly used in microfilm and the creation of it. The formula for silicates is SiO4. This is the largest group of minerals. Some of the uses of silicates is computers and electronics, automobiles, textiles, and household products. And any Hollars students out there may recognize this mineral, which happens to be barks. There are so many other types of minerals, such as elements, phosphites, oxides, sulfates, and sulfides, but we'll talk about those some other time.
Boy, it sure is chilly out here. But it wouldn't be as chilly if I were a mineral reacting with acid. Because when a mineral reacts with acid, it begins to dissolve and bubble. And heat is generated from this. The bubbles are released into the air as carbon dioxide. Now then, let's review the formula for when calcite, the most reactive of minerals, reacts with acid. Before I catch a cold.
CaCO3 plus 2H plus 1 turns into Ca plus 2 plus H2O plus CO2. All this is what goes on when calcite reacts with acid.
Solubility is how easily something dissolves in water. And believe it or not, all minerals are soluble. That's right, every single mineral can be at least dissolved a little bit by water. But among the minerals that are the most soluble are nitrates, borates, some carbonates, some phosphates, some sulfates, and some organic minerals. Now then, let's take a look at some properties of minerals.
Birthstones with Brad Santa. The chemical formula for rubies is Al2O3. Emeralds are made from Be3Al2SiO3 6. Amethyst, being a variation of quartz, is made of SiO2. Aquamarine, being in the same family as an emerald, is made up of the same chemical formula.
What a delicious glass of minerals I just had. And no, you didn't mishear me. Yes, water contains many minerals, such as sodium, calcium, and magnesium, all in a single glass.
Diamonds and soot are both made from the same element. Why is this, you may ask? Well, they are both made from carbon, but they both are different forms of carbon. Diamonds are a more harder, compressed form.
Oh, hello. I was just trying to see if there's any tellurium in my backyard. Funny story about tellurium.
It bonds easily with gold. So, back in Australia, when they first discovered that, they realized that they've been filling all their potholes with tellurium. After that, everyone ran to the streets and tried to dig them out, so they could score some gold. Let's see if I get lucky.
Interesting question. I would be caloridoid because it's doubly toxic and very interesting.